Welcome to Daily English Pulse. Do you understand English, but still struggle to speak fluently? You're not alone, and you're in the right place. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to become a fluent English speaker. Let's get started. What does it mean to be fluent in English? Fluency is not about speaking fast. It's about speaking clearly, confidently, and naturally, without long pauses or translating in your head. Here are 3 signs you're becoming fluent. 1. You can hold a conversation without switching to your native language. 2. You can think in English. 3. You don't need to memorize grammar rules to speak. Let's build these skills together. Confidence is key to fluency. Here are 3 ways to boost your confidence. 1. Speak aloud every day. Even if you're alone, describe your surroundings or your actions. I'm making tea. It's raining outside. 2. Use mirror practice. Stand in front of a mirror and talk to yourself. Focus on expression, pronunciation, and flow. 3. Don't fear mistakes. Fluent speakers make mistakes. What matters is communication, not perfection. Fluent speaking starts with fluent listening. Listen to English every day, podcasts, YouTube videos, short stories, or news. Repeat after the speaker. Pause, listen again, and mimic their tone and pronunciation. This builds your muscle memory for English speech patterns. Try this. Listen, repeat, record, compare. This method works wonders. Memorizing word lists doesn't make you fluent. You need to learn vocabulary in context. Instead of just learning the word run, learn a sentence. I run every morning before work. Or phrases. Run out of time. Run into someone. Run a business. Practice with real examples and use those phrases in your own sentences. Let me give you a daily fluency routine you can follow. 10 minutes. Listen to a short story or podcast. 10 minutes. Shadowing practice. 10 minutes. Speak about your day or record a journal in English. Stick to this for 21 days. Fluency grows with consistency. Speaking with others is the best way to improve. Here's how. Join English-speaking groups online. Practice with a language partner. Take part in speaking challenges. Even one conversation a day can change your speaking level. When you think in English, you speak faster and more naturally. Start with small steps. Think, what should I eat? Think, I'm going to take the bus. Avoid translating in your head. Trust your brain. Fluent speakers think in English, they don't translate. Now you know the path to fluency. It's not magic, it's daily practice, clear goals, and speaking without fear. Here's your challenge. Start today. Choose 3 techniques from this video and apply them daily. Comment below. What's your biggest challenge in speaking English? Subscribe to Daily English Pulse for more real-life English practice. And remember, fluency is possible. You just have to speak.
Thank you for watching.